Hello guys, so we're going to continue Volumes of Revolution this week. So there was a issue with the videos on Thursday, so I pushed everything from Thursday to Friday and pushed stuff from Friday to today. So today is the mastery assignment that you were going to have on Friday, and then the rest of the week we're just going to look at some ACE questions for Volumes of Revolution. Okay, so if you remember, I wanted to look over one. This is the problem from Friday real quick. I had a couple questions about integrating when it's in this form. So like when we got to this part, how to integrate this. Okay, it's in that form. So I just wanted to give you some of you actually like the kind of little formulas to use. So it's this form. So anytime you're integrating something, ax plus b to the n form, the answer is going to be this. So it's 1 over whatever a is, and then whatever, once you add 1 to n, whatever that is. And then multiplied by whatever's on the inside, raised to the n plus 1. Okay, remember how I told you it was kind of similar to taking the derivatives, but the derivatives you lower the exponent by 1 and you multiply by a. Integration is the opposite, so instead of lowering n, we raise n by 1, and instead of multiplying by a, we divide by a. And then instead of bringing this down in front, we bring it down and divide it. Instead of bringing this 2 down like we did here, we bring it underneath if we were integrating. So in that example from Friday, here's where some of you asked, where did this 3 come from? So I raised this one by 1, that's why I got the negative 1. Okay. So I put the negative 1 here, but that's what the n plus 1 is. Okay, add 1 to the negative 2, you get 1, so that's this. And then the 3 is my a. Okay, so that's my a, and that's my n plus 1. I just kind of wrote it a little backwards, it's just the way I did it. This pi 81 was already there. Okay, and that's how you integrate. So you might want to write that, copy that down in your notes if you need it. Okay, so your assignment for today, kind of similar to the question from Friday. Find the volume of this solid object. Find the volume of this solid object obtained when the shaded region is rotated about the x-axis. So here's your equation that describes this curve. Here's your 2 points, and we're going to rotate this about the axis. It's going to get kind of a solid, it's going to look like a half sphere type object. Okay, so just find the volume of that object. If you need any help with that, message me on Teams. Be sure to reference the video from Friday. It was a good example, very similar to this one. You just need to rearrange this one first. Okay, thanks guys. Have a good day.